So you guys know why I grind the tungstens on my TIG torch the way I do? If you come out to my retrieve store, you can buy my guides, my TIG welding guides. And in like the first one, the Essentials of TIG Welding, it's got 18 different videos in there, give you all that basic information and how to like hold your torch, how to move your torch as you're welding, you know, how to grind the tungsten, you know, how to hold the filler rod, how to feed the filler rod as you're welding. I mean, it's really, really important stuff. And it's not just the fact that you can find all this information in these videos. You don't have to find it. The search engine at Retrieve finds it for you. You just type in, you know, sharpening tungsten, filler rods, you know, cups, you know, I mean, whatever subject you're looking for. If you buy this guide, you can search it by word in all the videos all at once. And it will show you in this video at this time, right here, it'll take you here, it'll take you there, it'll take you there. I mean, it's really cool. It's amazing technology and how it works. And the cost, oh my God, it's only $4.98 for these 18 videos in the Essentials of TIG Welding Guide. Once you buy it, you can just search all 18 of these videos, you know, for whatever information you're looking for. It's really cool stuff. You really have to have this thing. So come out to my site, go to the Retrieve store, and pick up one of them. And it's not just the